Hello, my wonderful and beautiful people. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'll be sharing with you how I make this delicious, amazing party jollof rice. But before we get started, if today is your first day or first time of coming across this video, a warm welcome to you. And please don't forget to follow this page, like, share, and comment to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And to my returning subscribers, a very big thank you. So let's get started. Here we have rosemary, ginger and garlic paste. We have bay leaf, soya sauce, seasoning cubes, grounded crayfish, tomato paste. We have salt, oregano, curry powder, onions, jollof seasoning, vegetable oil. Next, we are using parboiled rice, protein of choice, turkey. Here I have fresh tomatoes, red bell pepper and onions. To begin, in a clean pot, I added in the already washed clean turkey. Went ahead to season the turkey by adding in ginger and garlic paste, rosemary, chopped onions, some salt to taste, bay leaf, seasoning cubes, soya sauce, stir and cover and let it produce its own juice. While we are waiting for the turkey, in a clean bowl, I transferred in the rice, add in some salt and some boiling water, stir and cover for like 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, wash the rice until the water runs clear and set it aside. Now let's check on the turkey. As you can see, it has produced its own juice. So I added in some little water and continue cooking for 7 minutes. Exactly 7 minutes now. It is done. So I'll be grilling the turkey by transferring them into the grilling pan. But you can fry yours if that is what you want. Place into the oven and start to grill. Next, I sieve out the onions and so because I want the stock so smooth and clean, but you can use it if that is what you prefer, okay? Next, the turkey is well grilled, so I'm going ahead to cut and deseed the already washed red bell pepper, onions and tomatoes. Here, I'm done prepping them. Now, I'm going to transfer them into the baking pan and roast them using the oven. This is going to introduce that smokiness into the rice or give it that smoky flavor. So, I will be roasting it for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, this is how it looks like. So next thing is to blend the pepper. I will be transferring them into the blender and blend until it is smooth. And I added in 1 fresh pepper and little water to enable the blender blend easily. Here I'm done with the blending. This is how it looks like. Next, in a clean pot, I introduce the vegetable oil, allow to heat up. Once that is achieved, I added in some salt, chopped onions, ginger and garlic paste, fry for like 3 minutes. Now, I added in the tomato paste, mix to combine. Keep frying until the oil floats to the top of the sauce. Next, I transferred in the pepper mix. Stir until it is well combined. Then keep frying until it reduces in quantity, thick, and the oil floats to the top of the sauce. Make sure you stir consistently so that the tomato mixture does not get burnt. Once that is done, I started by adding in curry powder, season cube, oregano, jollof seasoning, half of the crayfish because I will be using the rest later. Bayleave. Mix until everything is well combined. Now it is time to introduce the stock water. Mix to combine, cover the pot and bring to boil. Let's check on the tomato sauce. You can see now it is boiling. Give it a stir. Now it is time to add in the parboiled rice. Stir fry for 5 minutes. At this point, if you need to add in water, add to the level of rice in the pot. Not too much water, yeah? I added the water I rinsed from the blender. You can check for salt, okay? Yeah. So I use foil paper to cover the pot before covering it with the lid. Set your cooker on low because we do not cook jollof rice, rather we steam it. So steam the rice till it is tender and keep checking on it from time to time. Cover and cook for 45 minutes depending on the type of rice you are using. 45 minutes later, open the pot, give it a gently and lovely stir. Do you see how beautiful and nice, colorful my Nigerian jollof looks like? So next, I will be adding in the rest of the grounded crayfish, some sliced onions. Give it a gently and lovely stir. So next, I added in some little butter. Yeah, once I'm done with this, I cover the pot and let it steam for at least 4 minutes. Exactly 4 minutes now. Yeah, give it a gently and lovely stir. Turn off the cooker. Our Nigerian jollof rice is ready. Yeah, I'm serving mine with some grilled turkey. You can serve yours with any protein of your choice and some salad. Guys, this food tasted so super delicious and yummylicious. I will be dropping the list of the ingredients in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you find this video helpful and remain blessed. See you on my next video. Bye.